Welcome to day 6 of our 12 days of fitness. Today, our focus is strengthening the hips using a resistance band. What we're going to do is I've got the band attached to the chair, and I'm going to start with kicking back. So the band is always going to be going in this direction here. I'm going to stand with a small bend in my stance leg as I kick back with the leg that has the band on it. At home, you can do about 10 of these. The next exercise is kicking out to the side. What you want to do is, again, keep that small bend in your stance leg and kick the band or kick your leg out to the side with the band around your ankle. For the next exercise, I'm going to kick forward, and I'm just going to keep my hand on the chair to make sure that it doesn't slide forward as I'm kicking. And you would do this on the same leg, but just for demonstration purposes, I'm going to show you. I'm bringing my legs together. So I'm keeping a small bend in my stance leg and bringing my legs together. If you're not getting enough resistance, just bringing your leg to midline, you can bring your leg in front and cross over. That's going to work your hip adductors. These exercises are perfect for strengthening the hips, and strong hips are the key for functional mobility. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you tomorrow for day 7.